Hello, dear students. This is the last part of our syllabus, Espanol or Spanish for Prep 1, the first term, lesson number 2. This is the second part. Okay. Last time we were talking about nationalities and countries. This time we are going to speak about the other part of this unit. As you see on your right, we can see a dialogue. ¿De dónde eres? It means, where are you from? Soy inglesa. De Londres. Soy inglesa. It means I'm English. But of course for women. I'm an English woman. De Londres, from London. Y tú and you. Yo soy alemán. De Frankfurt. I am German from Frankfurt. As you can see, there are some people speaking about nationalities. Brazil, which is Brazil. Brasileño. It means Brazilian man, brasileño, and brasileña, it means Brazilian woman. ¿De dónde es Leo Messi? Es argentino. Where is Leo Messi from? He is Argentinian. Y Salma Hayek es mexicana. No sé. And what about Salma Hayek? Or Salma Hayek, of course we can say ha because we are Arabs, so it's easy for us. Es mexicana, she is Mexican, or you can say no sé, I don't know. These celebrities, okay, are Western people, I mean from the West. Some of them speak Spanish, some don't. Leo Messi, Salma Hayek, Antonio Banderas, an actor, Scarlett Johansson, an American actress, Cristiano Ronaldo, a Portuguese footballer, Nicole Kidman, an American actress, Caetano Veloso, a Latin musician, J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter. Of course, you can use questions like Javier Bardem es mexicano. This is a sentence, but if you put a question mark, it means, is he Mexican? Okay? No, Javier Bardem no es mexicano, es, and you can put any other nationality. For example, es argentino. Sí means yes, no sé means I don't know, de donde es means from where is he, or from where is she, because es comes with he and she. Ella es, she is, él es, he is. Now let's come to lenguas, the languages. ¿Qué lenguas hablas? What languages do you speak? Hablo español y francés. ¿Y tú? I speak Spanish and French. What about you? Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish, inglés, English, y alemán, and German. On your right, you can find some famous names. Let's say countries, maybe islands or cities. Jamaica, okay, in Spanish it is Jamaica. Brazil, Colombia, Nicaragua, Nueva Zelanda, which is New Zealand, near Australia, San Marino, Monaco, Austria, in English it's Austria, but in Spanish it's Austria, Uruguay. ¿Qué lengua se habla en Jamaica? ¿Se habla inglés? No sé. Which language is spoken in Jamaica? You can say spoken, or English is spoken, or you can say no sé, I don't know. Ayudas. How to ask for help in Spanish. ¿Cómo se dice nice in español? How to say nice in Spanish? No sé, I don't know. Más alto, por favor. Taller, please. Los servicios, por favor. The services, please. Pues yo tengo unos amigos en Berlin. The woman is saying. Then I have some friends in Berlin. Más despacio, por favor. The man is asking her to speak slowly. He is saying to her, más despacio, slower, por favor, please. ¿Cómo se dice nice in español? Of course, these are the questions. Let's come to los números. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's come to the numbers from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, let's come to another part. Cuando voy a un país, when I go to a country, y no conozco su lengua, and I don't know its language, aprendo algunas palabras. I learn some words y frases and phrases útiles para comunicarme con los nativos. So I learn some useful words and phrases which help me communicate with the native speakers. There are some words related to your accommodation or your stay in a new country, like café con leche, coffee with milk, cerveza, wine, no, which is no, cuánto es, how much is it, cómo se dice esto, how is this said, agua, water, sí, yes, vino, also it's wine, but cerveza, the first word, it's almost near to wine, okay? It can be like a kind of alcoholic drink. Beer, yes, we can say like beer. Por favor, please, gracias, thanks, bocadillo, sandwich, perdón, like pardon or like excuse me, habitación, room, bien, well. Okay, now let's come to the countries that speak Spanish. As you can see on the map, the red parts are the countries that speak Spanish. Okay, of course you can notice on your right España and a very little part of Africa, plus Mexico in North America, plus Central and Southern America, except Brazil and Suriname. Okay, now let's come to the last part, which is a paragraph about Spanish. El español o castellano es lengua oficial en España y en muchos países de América: Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Cuba, Costa Rica, República Dominicana, Ecuador, Guatemala, Honduras, México, Nicaragua, Panamá, Paraguay, Perú, El Salvador, Uruguay y Venezuela, y en Guinea Ecuatorial. También se habla en la isla de Puerto Rico, donde es oficial junto con el inglés, y en otras zonas de los Estados Unidos, en Filipinas y entre la población judía de origen sefardí. Spanish or Castilian, because it has two names, Castilian Spanish is the European Spanish version, or the original Spanish that's spoken in Europe, is the official language in Spain. In many countries of America, like Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Cuba, Costa Rica, the Republic of the Dominican, Ecuador, Guatemala, Honduras, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Salvador, Uruguay, and Venezuela. And also in Equatorial Guinea. Also it is spoken in the island of Puerto Rico, where it is official plus English, and in other parts of the United States, plus the Philippines, and the Jewish people from Sephardi origin, which means the Eastern Jews, because Jews are two kinds, the Eastern Jews and the Western Jews. El número de personas que hablan español en el mundo es de unos 450 millones. The number of people, who speak Spanish in the world is around 450 million, which can be around 500 million people. El español es, por tanto, so Spanish is la tercera lengua. Okay, so it is the third language más hablada del planeta. It is the third language most spoken on the planet Earth or in the world. después del chino mandarín y del inglés, which means after después del chino, after Chinese, which of course we mean Mandarin, Chinese Mandarin, because Chinese Mandarin is the most famous version of Chinese. So, Chinese, okay, this language has many versions. One of these versions is called Mandarin Chinese. This is the language most spoken in the world, that has the most or the biggest number of speakers. Okay, after it comes Spanish. Okay, and after English, of course, because English and Chinese are the two languages most spoken in the world. Y la segunda lengua más internacional. Además, el número de estudiantes de español en el mundo es cada vez mayor, and the number of students speaking or studying Spanish is increasing. En el estado español se hablan además de español o castellano. In Spanish itself, in Spain itself, Spanish is spoken. Otras lenguas como el catalán, plus other languages like Catalan, el gallego, Galician, o el vasco, and the Basque, que también son oficiales en sus respectivos territorios, which are also official languages in their territories or in their lands. We finished this lesson. Now let's come to the remember part. This part, or remember part, is about the most important things in the unit. De donde eres? From where are you, or where are you from? Soy francesa de París. I am a French woman from Paris. De donde es? From where is he, or where is he from? Es Argentina de Buenos Aires. So if I ask where is she from, she is Argentinian from Buenos Aires. The grammar in this unit is about ser, which is in English verb to be. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. But of course for the singular only. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. The adjectives ending in o and a. O is for masculine, a for feminine. Suizo, mexicano. This is for a man. But Suiza, mexicana, this version is for a woman. What about the nationalities ending in a consonant? Consonante like inglés. We just add a. So inglés means an English man, but inglesa means an English woman. Estadounidense, okay? The word ending in e in Spanish or e in English, it is for both man and woman, masculine and feminine. Estadounidense means American man or American woman. Marroquí, Moroccan man or Moroccan woman. Comunicación, preguntar y decir qué lenguas se hablan. ¿Qué lenguas hablas? Which languages do you speak? Hablo, I speak, inglés y francés, English and French. Hablar means speak. Yo hablo, I speak. Tú hablas, you speak. Ella habla, he speaks, she speaks. Let's come to the last point, which is making a question with where or donde. Donde plus verb. Donde plus verbo. Donde vives? Where do you live? In Malaga, which is a city in Spain. ¿Qué plus noun? O ¿qué plus sustantivo? ¿Qué lenguas hablas? Which languages do you speak? Inglés y alemán, English and German. We finished our syllabus for this term, dear students. I wish you good luck with your exams. Adios.